Hi Springfieldians, my name is Lydia and I'll be taking you through a whole new host of theories, conspiracies and controversies, including some of your favourite characters, Homer, Marge, Bart, Lisa and Mole Man. If you've ever wondered if Cletus is really all that poor or who really shot Mr. Burns, then have no fear, Simpsons Theory is here. A whole new channel for you to dive into the yellow fantasy, drink some flaming Homers and eat as many donuts as you'd like, all while staying the same shirt and pant size. With new videos every week for you to enjoy. Simpsons Theory. So hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. See you soon.